Look at that, you got a case of beer for your birthday.
That's the day you got for Christmas.
Another one.
Oh, I got another one. Oh, y'all thought you already had one.
This is fake.
How do you know it's fake?
I don't have it.
That one actually works. That one didn't work, so I'll buy you a new one.
Open it up, see if it works.
Nothing's in here.
Open it up and find out.
I'll help.
Look at that. How'd that get in there? Was it another one inside of that box?
I'm not helping. I'm sorry.
Hey, you want it. You got to get it out of there, buddy.
You shake it up and down. Open that side too. Put it through. There's another one in there, huh?
Come on, Muscle Man, you're 6. You should be able to do that.
Yeah.
I think it's taped, Matt.
I gotta go buy you a present. This is for Matthew's birthday.
Come on, Muscle Man.
I'm gonna cut tape for you. The only thing I'll help you with is this tape, okay? I'm not here. Okay, now what is it? Ah, but your shoes!
Look at that. Another one.
I think this is lovely. Yeah, don't drop. Drop that one! I love these. How much was that?
Yeah, in my pocket, not yours.
How much guys are there, Phil?
$5, I think.
Ready, Matt? Show it over here. What'd you get?
All those guys.
All these guys? I want to go all
I'll give
these.
you one, okay? We gotta wait for all the kids to come in and sing happy birthday to Matthew.
Okay.
All those guys come.
All those guys come with it.
I think all those guys, yeah.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Want to get in a picture with Daddy and Kaylee? You don't want to get in a picture?
What?
Hold it up. There you go. I got it on.
Boy. Oh, boy.
Okay, hold on. Trying to stop the recording.
You really want Indiana Jones Legos? I tried finding that other one.
I found it on you.
Okay.
I found it on you.